This is a brand new 2013 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.6-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, keyless go, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, blind spot assist, a DVD player, a portable music device ready stereo system, XM satellite radio, an air suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.